Toad. Oh, Toad.
Audrey, what are you doing?
You know what happened?
What happened?
Someone going across the bridge and he smashed and bashed down the basement and cracked his flat.
Oh no. Is he alright?
Yeah, he's alright.
Okay.
He hurt himself.
Well, now we got 2 legs out. Does that feel better? What happened to your overalls?
What? What, Mommy?
You unsnap them?
Yeah, zapping. Zapping, zapping.